Hi everyone, and welcome to Titan's spray tip seal and saddle installation video. In this video, we'll show you how to properly install your Titan spray tip, seal, and saddle into your tip guard. First, grab the tip seal and snap it onto the back of the tip saddle. Next, place the seal saddle combo on the end of your spray tip. Now, using the spray tip, insert the seal saddle combo into your spray tip guard from the back threaded side. Carefully maintain pressure on the seal with the tip and rotate the guard so the seal is facing up to prevent it from falling out. Now, insert the tip into the tip guard. Lastly, thread your tip guard onto your spray gun. Tighten by hand and adjust the guard position for the spray pattern you need. Thanks for watching the spray tip seal and saddle installation video. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.